I think that Augie Choice is really unique.
Augustana gives you $2,000 to go and use it however you want.
Directly used to support a study abroad program that is managed and operated through Augustana, or you can use it to support an internship, anything that will help better your learning and further your learning.
Augie Choice encouraged me to go off campus again, step out of my comfort zone, and really fulfill a dream of working in a national newsroom. I used my Augie Choice to go off campus and study for a term in New York City, and I worked for CBS News.
I used my Augie Choice money to help myself basically pay for rent and everything throughout the summer. This allowed me to conduct research at a local area, Scott County, just across the river. We did lead contamination testing, and we were able to interact with the community, basically conduct research for my senior project.
I used my Augie Choice to travel abroad on East Asia term, and so I was gone for 10 weeks and I spent it in Japan, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan.
I used my Augie Choice actually to stay on campus to do research in the summer. So to have the SLU here right on campus was really convenient. I wanted to get biology research experience, and so we were able to study painted turtles. I got to get in the SLU and actually catch the turtles. Really anywhere that I went, I was going to have to pay for living somewhere, paying rent and buying my own groceries. And so with Augie Choice, it was going to give me the opportunity to do really anything that I wanted, and it just so happened that what I wanted to do is right here on campus.
When I was applying for schools, I noticed Augie Choice and I thought it was awesome. I didn't even fully understand it, but when I got here and I met people at CORE and they really talked to me about it, they're like, yeah, $2,000 to do what you really want. And I definitely utilize that.
I'm grateful for Augie Choice because it helped me grow in ways that I didn't even know that I could.
I feel very enabled and encouraged by the people at Augustana and the opportunities that Augustana has offered me to go full force forward and pursue my dreams and really be comfortable in who I am moving forward.